Hey, it's Ronan Zagal, your accordion teacher with the October 2022 monthly challenge. This is based off of a lesson called Easy Harmony using thirds. And this is an easy way for you to play harmony, whether you're accompanying yourself and playing the harmony using multi-fingered melody, or whether you need to provide harmony to another musician. Imagine you're playing with a violinist or another accordion player. This is an easy method of doing harmony. It works for both majors and minors. Your challenge with the October monthly challenge is to show how you do this harmony. It could be on a series of notes. It could be on a song that you know. I'll give you a few examples so you understand what I'm speaking about. The lesson on Accordion Love is on the advanced right hand technique, but let me show you. Let's take the song Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'll play the melody, and I'm going to use my loop pedal to loop the melody so I could show you what it's like to play harmony over the melody. This is the melody. Right? The trick, and I go into more details on the lesson, is we take that same form, la, 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 but we move it a third higher. La, la, la. So instead of playing, I'm going to do that same form, but I'm going to start from the G. So again, if this is where I start from usually, I'm going to start from here. So it looks like this. Now, we don't need to do that. We could do it like this. The same structure that I was playing here, I'm just playing a third higher. Let's play them together using my loop pedal. It kept looping, that's fine. I could do this with one hand if I want, using the space. Let's do another song. I have the first Noel stuck in my head for some reason. Let's play it. I'm going to start from the E. Actually, let's do it in another key and I'll explain what happens. Let's do this in D major. I'll record the melody in D major. It starts from the F sharp. And so what do we do here? The melody starts on the F sharp. I need to give that space of a note. Meaning I'm going to go up 2 whole notes. But because the D major scale contains that C sharp and the F sharp, I have to be mindful that when I move my hand up, I need to be mindful of that C sharp. So the melody was... My harmony is going to start not from the F sharp, but from the A. And this is what it's going to look like. I don't care what notes I'm hitting, as long as it's the same shape as the melody that was given to me. C sharp. And that's what I'd like to see you do in the challenge. Here's what it sounds like together. 1, 2. Again. And that's harmony. Those were 2 major songs. So again, use the same shape as what was given below. If it was this, play it like this. If it was like this, play it like this. If it was in another key, if it was an E flat, and it should be using the major scale, the notes of the major scale of that key. Let's do a minor song. Let's do the Amelie theme song because it's such a classic. The melody starting from the D. I'll pause. Now I'll let you try and do the harmony. So again, the motion, an easy harmony. Let's go the third above. Which note does it start in? From the F. It's usually a space of 1. It's this position. So the note starts from F, and instead of, we go, because here I did, I'll do the same here. My fingers are copying each other. So together, I'm going to play the loop. Again. If you're playing with someone, even if it's your own recording using your cell phone, or if you're playing along with me, really, really crucial to listen, to match the tone, to not be too loud or too quiet, to listen for that timing. If you're accompanying yourself, that movement was a little bit more difficult. But again, that's what we're doing. When we're playing with minors, the minor scale can be a little bit more difficult in terms of, remember when we did the major scale? The minor scale, a little bit more difficult, so use your ear to say, is there a flat? Is there a sharp? But otherwise, that's what the October Monthly Challenge is all about. An easy way to do harmony without even having to think about it. If I want to do an easy harmony, my fingers naturally fall to the same shape as the melody, the same form. If the melody does this, la 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 la, the harmony does the same thing, just a third higher. Da 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 da. Instead of, it would do, right? Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I want you to record a melody and then play what would be the harmony. If you have the ability to play over yourself using recording software, great. If not, play over my recording or just show me the 3 notes or the 4 notes of the melody and what would be the harmony. Thank you.